Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Bay Laurel Emporium. It's Laurel here. So, this is going to be super simple and, yeah. Anyways, this is my day timer. My day timer is, just about 4 inches wide by 7 inches tall. I still use a paper day timer. I have for years. I love them. And depending on what I'm doing, last few years I've had a hard time trying to find, I just need to move my camera over, sorry. I've had a hard time finding one that sort of works. This one here has been working for a while. It is this one. It's a traveler journal, diary. But what I like about it is, I'll just show you here. So this is, it has the week on this side, and this is Sunday, and then it has a place for notes and the month up there with the week highlighted, which I really like. But my favorite part is in the back. It has this. This is, it just says booklets, but it's for emails or I don't know, whatever you want, I guess. Addresses and such. But who writes down addresses and that anymore? Anyways, what I want to do is make a replacement one. Simple. Right? I don't know how many pages are in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these 3 here at the back are plain. And so that's 8 pages. So what I was going to do was, now it doesn't have to be exactly the same. This is a Staples steno book. And all I was going to do was take out some pages and put them in here. And then I have, this is a very large file folder to make the cover. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about we do 10? Am I going to be able to rip these out? I was just looking to see where my little cutting mat is. This is my glass mat. I can't seem to see it. What did I do with that? I don't know. Oh, no, that's not it. I don't know what I did with it. Anyways, yeah, you don't cut on this glass one. Oh, I have one here. This isn't the one I was looking for, but this one is going, oh, that's right in front of me here, tucked into my thing there. This is fine. I only wanted this because I was going to use, that's not a knife. I was just going to use a knife. Just to cut. Well, I didn't do that very well, did I? Well. Oh. I should. Not gonna worry about that. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways. So I need these to be, how tall do I need these? To be 6 and, okay. There's my pencil. Okay, and that little bit of paper made a whole bunch of mess. Okay. I will use this metal one. This is a cheap dollar store knife, Dollar Tree knife. Okay. Now I need to make my, this is only one side of a, I didn't realize that's only one side of a file folder, which is just fine. So I need my file folder to be bigger than, I need it to be 6 3/4 inches tall by 6. Okay, I'm just going to cut. And as with everything, not going for perfection. I do need to put this in half. Going to measure this up with this one. Okay, well, it's taller. That's not going to work. So much for measuring, right? Like, what did I measure for? I didn't get it the right size. No. It's going to be come down. It's quite a bit taller, see? And it's not even as wide. What did I do? I think I interchanged my height and my I think I interchanged my height and my width. I mean, it's fine. It can't be taller though. It can be narrower. But it certainly cannot be taller because then it won't fit in the book. In this little plastic sleeve at the back. Okay, that'll fit. I feel like a dummy. Are my pages too tall? No, I have my pages the right size. Holy smokes, man. Talk about hello. I don't know what I did with the cover to get it the wrong size. Who knows? I have a suspicion that I interchanged my height and my width. But it's fine. It is fine. I mean, I just want it to, for notes and grocery list, whatever. Because why, like, then I don't have to carry a second notebook, right? I just have to carry one day timer that has everything. And it fits in my little wallet type crossbody purse. Come on. Do I have a better knife here? I don't know if this knife is any better because it's also in the Dollar Tree. All I want to do is empty or fix I just want to fix these and sorry if you can hear my window rattling. It's windy out again today. Okay. And I'm just gonna fix this direction because you can see that it, once you start folding, I don't know if you can see that, folding papers like that. the center part starts getting squeezed out. This is easiest if you have a sharp knife. And patience. That ruler, it's like it has a bump or something on that one side. Come on. And this at the back isn't going to bother me because that part's going into that little plastic pouch. I was going to get out my big my oversized stapler, but I don't need it. And I'm going to put these big paper clips. I think this one had two staples. Now, can I get this in the right spot? Oh, close enough. Come on. Don't do that. No. It's giving me, a hard time. That's why. Some days, staplers can be more trouble than they are worth. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, then. Here we go. Hold that over. And did I get the staples exact? No, that's okay. That is okay. Was this perfect? Nope. But like I said, it's just for in my own day timer. Just for me to write grocery list, notes, that sort of thing. Yeah, perfect. Now it's almost too short. Oh, well. You want to put something on the front? Put the other one back in here. Do I have journal? I'm just gonna grab my box of stickers. Let's put a sticker on the front. The one thing that I didn't like about this day timer was I couldn't tell which was the front or back, and of course I was always grabbing it the wrong way. So, hence my llama stickers on the front. I love him. So let's just get something on here. I have so many stickers, but these ones are neat. Here. These are stickers here. I have these ones here, which are like vellum stickers. But I don't want to put those on. I want to put, I think I might put that Howdy one on the front. Or one of these. Nope, just gonna do that one. Again, I just want something that says this is the front. Huh. That's it. Super simple little project, but just I was thinking, you know, I used to buy those kind of things, right? And since I've been doing junk journals, it's like, why do I have to buy something for a refill when I can just make my own? And as a matter of fact, I might just make my own new day timer part, this part, rather than buying a refill or buying a whole new one, because these, you know, they're not cheap. Will this fit in the back? No, I don't want it. I don't need to put it in right now. But I have it when I need it. So, well, it works that way too. Maybe I need a closure. I might have to make a closure for my journal or figure something out. Anyways, that's it. Just a quick little video. I start my new job, training for my new job next week. And so I'm trying to get some videos in the bank so that I can get them scheduled, because I only have a video up scheduled for tomorrow, and then I'll have nothing else after. So I better get busy. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you will watch my videos from beginning to end. Helps me grow my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe and hit the bell for notification of when my videos come up. And make a comment below. I so much appreciate everything. And I know I'm almost at 300 subscribers, which is so awesome. And I might do a giveaway when I get to 500. We'll see. And anyways, I will see you in my next video. And I hope that you're having a great day. Thanks. Bye.